clothe them asunder. Now this verse is briefly explaining the Big Bang theory. In the first part of this verse, it is saying that this whole universe was initially joined together as one unit of creation, as we have just discussed, that one big egg or one big bang. And this God Almighty is saying that we have separated the universe, and it is what in the formation through these galaxies, stars, sun, and the earth. This is what described by the glorious Quran. Just imagine 1400 years ago in the deserts of Arabia, the book was appeared, and it is describing such profound established scientific fact which scientists were able to do just in recent times or in 20th century. Let's move forward to our next topic, and that is expanding universe. In 1925, it was Edwin Hubble, on the basis of his observations, he said that the galaxies in the space are going away from each other, so the universe is expanding. And so later on it became an established scientific fact. And let us see what the Quran has to say about the nature of the universe about 14 centuries ago. And it says, and by the way, let me describe you this picture, it will detail more in the expanding of universe. Now this is a Big Bang, and it happened like explosion, and the galaxies came out of it, and they were expanding till that time, and it is expanding even today. So the universe is more bigger than the time of it at its beginning. So this is a present size or present picture of the universe in which we are living. Let's see what Quran says. Quran says in Surah Zariyat, verse number 47, that we have created the expanding universe. This one verse is clearly describing that what scientists were able to do through their advanced equipments, latest research, and their intellectual scientists in just 20th century. So this book is certainly a revelation from God, and so those people who say this is a copied one from the Greeks or from earlier scientists, they fail to realize that the Quran is describing even such scientific facts which even man were unable to just imagine or even to dream at that time. So this is certainly a revelation from God. Now, the next topic is shape of the earth. In early centuries in the past, people thought that the earth on which we are living is flat. And so, due to their disbelief, they were afraid to travel long journeys because they thought that they will fall out of the earth since it is flat. And so, in 1597, it was Sir Francis, the first person who observed and proved this fact that the earth is spherical when he sailed around it. In just 1597, just few centuries ago, 4 to 5 centuries ago. And the Quranic verses are giving us signs about the shape of the earth, and let's see what it gives. It says, it says in Surah Luqman, verse number 29, that seest thou not that Allah merges night into day, and He merges day into night. Now here the word merging means that night slowly and gradually overcomes the day, and day slowly and gradually overcomes the night. If we use our intelligence, this process can only be happened if the shape of the earth is spherical. If the shape of the earth would be flat, there would have been a sudden change from night to day and day to night. But this is actually not like that. We see on daily basis that the earth and the night and day slowly and gradually overcomes each other. And in another verse, in Surah Zumar, verse number 5, Quran says, He created the heavens and the earth in true proportions. He makes the night overlap the day. He makes the night overlap the day, and the day overlap the night. Now here again, overlapping means slowly and gradually coming of night and slowly and gradually going of the day. This process can again be happen if the shape of the earth is spherical and not that flat. So these two verses are giving us solid signs that the shape of the earth is not flat but it is spherical. The glorious Quran has told us this information when people used to think that the earth is flat. And then later on, geologists told us that the shape of the earth is not like totally round like a ball, or it is not just like a clear no curve in it, but geologists, due to their advanced equipment and advanced technology, they came to know that the shape of the earth is geospherical, little curved like an oval or like the shape of an egg. Let us see what Quran has to say about this. In Surah Naziyat, verse number 30, the Quran says, "And the earth, moreover, hath he made egg-shaped." Now, here the word egg, the Arabic word for egg here used, that is taha, that is Arabic word, and that word specifically refers to the egg of an ostrich. Not any ordinary egg, not the egg of chicken, but specifically the egg of an ostrich. And if we analyze the egg of an ostrich and the shape of the earth, if we analyze both, the shape of the earth is geospherical and the egg of an ostrich is also geospherical. So it resembles the perfect in both shapes. So Quran is far superior than the present science, and so it is describing these all facts about 14 centuries ago. Now, the shrinking of the earth. This is the next topic. This is an established scientific fact that the earth is being shrinked. The earth is getting smaller from its all sides, and the present size of the earth is 100 times smaller than the size of it at its beginning. And so the Quran contains exactly the same description. It says in Surah Riyadh, verse number 41, it says, "See they not how we are reducing the earth gradually from its all sides?" The Quran is containing the same exactly description. Now, let us give a sharp look to this verse. The first sentence of this verse is, "See they not," means have they not seen. It means there is something extraordinary important for humankind which mankind is unable to realize. And actually, there is something very important. That is that this verse is giving a scientific proof of day of judgment, of doomsday.